Power functions are one of the easiest, shortest units that we have done, and basically they're of the form y equals ax to the b. Sorry for the scribble, I had written it incorrectly a second ago. I'd swapped it with an exponential. But a and b can be pretty much any real number, and generally they pass through the origin most of the time. The degree is the highest exponent. Okay, this formula, W equals 0.0084 c to the third, uses the circumference of c of an orange in inches to estimate its shipping weight, W in ounces. So W is weight, c is circumference, and this formula are the same. Really, they are. Look, x is c, and y is W. And in this case, A is 0.0084 and B is 3. So all the components are same in the same place. Estimate the weight of an orange whose circumference is 9 inches. This is going to be the easiest part ever. W equals 0.0084. Circumference is 9 inches. So 9 to the third power. You grab a calculator. 0.0084 times 9 to the third power. There we go. This orange weighs 6.12. We'll stop it there. Ounces. Abbreviated OZ. I don't know why. What is the diameter of an orange that weighs 8 ounces? What in the world? Diameter. See, we could be tempted to use all kinds of crazy formulas here, but we're not going to. Instead, I'm going to use a totally random formula. It's actually not random, but circumference equals pi times diameter. Where'd you get that from, Mr. Reader? I'll tell you exactly where I got it from. Got it from my brain. This is one of those things you should know. Diameter of an orange that weighs 8 ounces. Okay? What I need to do in order to find the diameter is find the circumference, and that'll give me the diameter, but they didn't give me the circumference, they gave me the weight. So again, let's write this formula, 0.0084 c to the third. So before I can even use this formula, I've got to use this formula that they gave me. See, if I need the diameter, I need to relate the circumference and diameter, but I got to find the circumference first. So the weight is 8. 0.0084, circumference to the third power. Let's solve for c. In order to do that, we will divide. Okay. 8 divided by 0.0084 is that crazy number right there. 952.38 equals c to the third. And we are going to take the cube root of both sides. Cube root is under the math menu, so math. Cube root of our last answer, and the circumference is 9.84. There we go. Are we done? No. We found the circumference, not the diameter. By the way, this is a power function as well. This is also a power function. Y equals A. A is a constant. It's 3.14159. On and on and on. Times x to the first power. So we're going to take that c and plug it in there. So 9.84 equals pi times the diameter, and we will divide by pi. So divide by pi. There we go. 3.13. Awfully familiar. Diameter is 3.13 inches. There we go. Okay, next problem, sitting right here. Let's solve for x. Well, if we're going to solve for x, it's going to look a lot like this one, only it's going to be a little different when we get to the exponent. So we're going to divide by 1.2. 8 divided by 1.2 is 6.6 repeating. 6. There we go. Well, we need to take the 0.47th root of this, and on paper it looks like this. On the calculator it looks like this. 0.47, press math, and you go to this one right here. It's the xth root of 6.6, just put a bunch of them. 56.62. There we go.